A very good morning. This presentation is brought to you by Resonate International with a mission to leverage knowledge worldwide. The topic being covered is glaciers, frozen in time, flowing for life. Ladies and gentlemen, in the quiet heights of Earth's most remote regions, where air is thin and silence reigns, lies ancient formations sculpted not by hands but by time itself. Glaciers, vast, slow-moving rivers of compressed snow and memory, remain frozen, not in stillness, but in purpose. They stand as guardians of balance, mirrors of climate, and vessels of Earth's giving nature. Unseen by most, yet serving all, they represent a sublime union of strength and surrender, holding the past, nurturing the present, and cautioning the future. Their message is not just scientific or environmental, it is deeply spiritual, a call to recognize nature's quiet devotion to sustaining life. Glaciers occupy close to 10% of the Earth's surface and exist across all continents except Australia. From the polar ice sheets of Antarctica and Greenland to the towering glaciers of the Himalayas, Andes, and Alps, their presence spans geographies and generations. Their formation is slow and sacred process. Centuries of snowfall compacting under its own weight, transforming into ice of astonishing density and clarity. These glaciers then begin their journey not with haste but with purpose, moving under gravity's pull, shaping valleys, feeding rivers, and silently nourishing ecosystems across regions. There are two primary types: continental glaciers found in the polar regions and alpine glaciers nestled in mountains. Both are vital. The Himalayas alone sustain river systems that support over 1 billion lives. Nations like Pakistan, home to more than 7,000 glaciers, highlight how intricately these formations are woven into water security and climate systems. Many glaciers also form glacial lakes, tranquil yet potentially fragile reservoirs created by melt water. As warming accelerates, these lakes are increasing in number and volume, sometimes giving rise to glacial lake outburst floods, underscoring the growing complexity of glacial dynamics. Ancient traditions revered glaciers as symbols of purity, strength, and renewal, metaphors for the deep cycle of life and transformation. Today, space agencies such as NASA, ISRO, and ESA track their evolution from orbit, offering critical data. Yet, the question remains, how can knowledge be translated into lasting care? What's the way forward? The way ahead requires more than observation. It calls for meaningful redirection. For example, first, establishing glacier conservation frameworks. Similar to biosphere reserves or wetlands, glaciers need recognition through dedicated conservation status at national and global levels to regulate human interference, development, and tourism around them. Second, creating policy action bridges. Data generated by space and climate agencies must integrate directly into local and regional policy, guiding watershed management, urban planning, and climate risk preparedness in glacial catchments. Third, promoting research-led interventions. Collaborative global research into albedo enhancement techniques, clean energy transitions in glacial regions, and black carbon mitigation can offer paths to slow retreat and stabilize mass balance. Fourth, embedding glacial literacy. Educational curricula and public campaigns that include the science, significance, and symbolism of glaciers can foster a generational ethic of stewardship. These steps may not reverse the past, but they can gently realign the trajectory of the future. In conclusion, ladies and gentlemen, a glacier gives without desire, recedes without complaint, and endures without recognition. It is a silent offering, shaping rivers and rhythms far beyond its distant origin. Its grace lies not in its might, but in its quiet service, as though nature entrusted it with a sacred role to sustain life and to disappear doing so. To lose a glacier is not merely to lose ice. It is to lose a quiet guardian, a keeper of time, and a reflection of Earth's most delicate balance. As the Bhagavad Gita profoundly states, let one uplift the self by the self, let none lower the self. In glaciers, this timeless principle finds form, for they uplift entire ecosystems by simply being. Let humanity now take its cue to rise gently, to act wisely, and to honor what endures not by strength but by sacred silence. Good luck, best wishes, and God bless.